Alright folks, and boy do I have a surprise for you. Brand new release by Nubeo, and man, this thing is crazy. Check this out. This is Nubeo's Endless Edge. I can't think of any watch company doing something like this. I mean, absolutely unique. Probably one of, and I know I repeat myself a lot in these videos. This has got to be one of the most unique ones Nubeo has ever come out with. They just keep like reinventing the wheel. It is absolutely crazy. Now, this was not my first choice, and we'll talk about the color options because they do have one that is like, I'm really disappointed I couldn't get my hands on it. But, I think Nubeo knew that this was going to be super popular, and I don't even know if this is available. I feel like these things just absolutely sold out. And so this is called the Continuum. And the one, they call it Continuum Automatic Endless Edge. Now, the color on this, I think is, sometimes Nubeo, let me just check something here. They kind of confuse the hell out of me. Color. All right, so no, the color is Endless Edge, which doesn't really make a lot of sense. I wish that Nubeo would just name their watches black. Black, red, simple. But again, I think it just confuses the whole name of the watch. But it is called the Continuum, the color Endless Edge, obviously done in all black, black strap, black case. You have a silver case back, raw stainless steel, of course, black rotor. What a unique timepiece. Now, this will probably go on a bracelet. Unfortunately, I just give you guys kind of an idea. I do have a 22 millimeter bracelet, but this is a 24 millimeter strap. I think a watch like this is so rugged and so unique that it just needs a bracelet. Now, they do make two bracelet versions, and Nubeo doesn't always, I feel, they do make bracelet versions. I've reviewed a lot of them, but I feel like a lot of times they just kind of stick to the silicone or the rubber straps. And, I get it. It's awesome. There's nothing wrong with those materials, but bracelet is the way to go. And they have it in silver and they have it in gold. And you folks know I tried to get the gold, but they just weren't having it. And I just think because they knew that sucker was going to sell out. The gold one, I think, just really kind of highlights the uniqueness. Black is very, black, they say black is slimming. Black hides a lot. And I think you lose a lot of how beautiful this watch is and how unique by having it just be a black watch. Does that mean you shouldn't buy it if that's available to you? Absolutely not. It's still killer. I'm going to wear the shit out of this. What a unique piece. Look at the crystal on this. Full dome. I mean, I've never seen a crystal quite like that. Hard edges, you can look right through the sides. Does have a screw down crown. Does have, I think on this side, this is your helium release valve, but it's kind of done in a very unique, interesting way. I'm not sure if that's just cosmetic. It doesn't look like a helium release valve, but maybe it pops from the side or something like that, or maybe it's sort of internal, but very cool. Automatic movement. I don't know how they make watches like this. I mean, super complicated, pun intended. And so how you tell time with this is you basically just have like a roll. That's it. I mean, super easy. And you unscrew the crown, and I'll just kind of show you here. As you turn, you want to turn towards you, you can see how the wheels turn. I mean, super unique. Automatic movement. I don't know how they tie all this in together to make this work. It is really quite remarkable to me that they can produce something like this. And I know there's other companies doing stuff like, that are very, Nubeo's done many of them, like their TriStar Orbit. But this one here is definitely probably one of the most unique pieces they've ever come out with. I'm just kind of at a loss for words. It is such a cool watch. And I think that this one here is going to look great on black bracelet. It's going to look great on a white strap. It looks great on the black strap. It is just, I can't even express to you how in awe I am at this watch. It is just super unique. So let's talk about specifications here. Again, it's available in the rose gold with black dial, black strap, the black case with red strap, black on black. We have a blue, we have the gold and silver. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know. You can sign up, notify me when available, but I don't know if this is going to be available. The funny thing is I requested this not that long ago, and I didn't even know these went on sale. I gotta give you a loom shot real quick here. See if you can kind of see. Oh my God. Look at that. That is so friggin' cool. All right, I'm done acting like a 3-year-old. Not really. So let me read you what they say here. Inspired by the rhythm of motion, the Continuum challenges the conventional, transforming every glance into a dynamic experience. The drum roller watch features a 3D domed lens that magnifies the kinetic energy of the open heart dial, revealing the intricate drive of this automatic watch. Yeah, and it's cool because you can see right down into the automatic movement. Of course, you have the exhibition window on the back. Just a very unique timepiece. I'm at lost for words. I mean, it's just so unique. And I think when it comes for you watch collectors out there, if you like to have, if you're a kind of collector like I am, I don't mean that like I'm a collector, I mean, just like if you like a lot of variety, then, you're always looking for like the next best thing, and I think that's why like a lot of folks really, Invicta's changed a lot. I mean, I'll be the first to admit, like, they don't do what they used to do. I just find the company very stagnant. Whereas you have companies like this who are constantly coming out with these very unique, different timepieces. And I gotta throw it on the wrist here because I haven't done so already. It is so badass. But anyway, if you're a guy who likes watches like I do, and oh my God, man, check that out. And you're looking for that next unique piece, Nubeo is really I don't want to say stealing customers from Invicta, but I think that Nubeo is definitely providing just a style of watch that is really attracting folks who like those unique pieces. And I feel like a company like Invicta, even Aragon, their kind of rise to fame, so to speak, was the unique timepieces that were like different from, as much as I love this brand new Atomi Shine, super awesome, check out the video on that, they are just kind of like standard watches. Whereas something like this is just, it draws people in. I'm not saying that's what you necessarily want, but it's just very unique. And I think, at least for me, I love wearing things like this because people do notice it. And when you see something this unique, people want to ask. And it's always fun to share like your hobby and what you're interested in with other people. So it is super funky. They list that here. It says here, the Continuum represents a visual statement, funky, unconventional, and unmistakably Nubeo. Absolutely. There's nothing. I can't think of any watch company. Like some of the Nubeos, like the Magellan. Love them. They're great. I have like 8 or 9 of them. Yeah, they're like a sort of like an RM style, that Tanu style case. You've seen it. You've seen it by other companies. Other like off micro brands make those. But this, if you're wearing this, there's no mistaking. There's nobody makes anything like this. So it is super unique. Imagine what this would have looked like in gold, for God's sakes. But I'm not complaining. All right, so that's about it. Let me see the specifications. They don't list what movement. I think it's a Miyota, most likely. 43.5 millimeter case diameter, 21 millimeters in case thickness. Again, that's at the tallest part of the crystal. It is a coated mineral lens. It's not sapphire. 3D index of Swiss New Light, black dial color, 26 millimeter. I misspoke. Black rubber strap, which means it'll probably fit. I might have to go Stormtrooper on this and get a white strap on it. I think I have a Nubeo one that'll fit. Screw down crown, 5 ATMs of water resistance, and 130 grams in watch weight. What an exciting piece. Now, I didn't show you the box. This comes in your stand. You can go click the link in the description, check it out. You don't need me to show you the box, but it does have your kind of Nubeo style dive case, very similar to some of the RGMT ones. I like it. It's a smaller box. Some of these larger boxes, like I'm running out of room for the damn thing. So I like it. It's a smaller box and it's easy to store. Just a sweet piece. Again, I know I'm repeating myself here, but that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say about the watch other than I was really anticipating getting this, and it really does not disappoint. Now, price on it, if you can get it, $1,050. So and that's this one. If you want the gold, $50 more, which is odd to me that they don't. I think Nubeo sometimes, they're kind of missing out with extra revenue because they don't make any bracelets or straps. You can't buy any additional straps or bracelets. Like, how nice would it be to be able to buy this and say, ooh, you know, I was able to get the gold, but I also want to add a black strap to it. Like, why they don't make these available, I don't know. Probably because they're limited edition. But what's really kind of interesting on this here is that this one normally, maybe I'm wrong here. Normally they list that these are limited edition, and let me see if this has a limited edition number. So it does not. So that's interesting. Nubeo, I don't think they've ever done a watch that is not limited edition. You know, 50 units, 100 units. So maybe this is kind of a test run. Maybe they see how it sells, which is obviously really well, and they're probably going to do another run. So stay tuned for more. I think you're going to see this again. I think you'll see this in other color variations. I think this is going to be a very popular model, and I will keep trying to get my hands on the gold eventually. But and I'll do another video on this when I change up the strap to give you guys kind of an idea what it looks like on a bracelet. Killer watch. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions, let me know. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and take care.